Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to keep inventory in Minecraft. To enable this helpful feature, first open your chat window. You can usually do this by pressing the T key on your keyboard. Once the chat is open, type the command /gamma rule keep inventory true, exactly as you see it. Press enter to activate the rule, and your inventory will now be safe from loss when you die in the game. If you ever want to turn off the Keep Inventory feature, simply open your chat again. This time, type the command /gamma rule keep inventory false and press enter. To check the current status of the rule, you can type just /gamma rule keep inventory without true or false. The game will then tell you if it's currently set to true or false. Remember, the default setting for new worlds is typically false. It's important to understand that keep inventory is a game rule, which means it applies globally to your world. In multiplayer games, this rule affects every player equally. If you're playing on a server, only players with operator status or the server host can change this setting. This ensures that game mechanics are consistent for everyone involved, preventing individual players from altering core rules. Using Keep Inventory can significantly reduce frustration, especially when you're carrying rare items or a lot of experience points. It allows you to explore dangerous areas, like the Nether or deep caves, with much less worry about losing all your progress. This feature is fantastic for players who prefer a more relaxed gameplay experience. For other great deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.